everyone, my name is Cory House, and welcome to my course Clean Coding Principles in C#. I'm an independent consultant specializing in JavaScript, React, and C#. Is your team's C# code clean? Can it be easily read and maintained by others? The average line of code will be read 10 or more times, so it pays to write code that's easy for others to understand. In this course, we're going to explore principles for creating C# code in a clean style that's easy to read, write, and maintain. Some of the major topics we'll cover include implementing effective conditionals, reducing method complexity, optimizing your code's signal-to-noise ratio, creating self-documenting logic, and refactoring existing C# code. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge you need to write clear, maintainable C#, and you'll have a clear path for improving your existing code too. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with C# fundamentals. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to write cleaner code with the Clean Coding Principles in C# course at Pluralsight.